guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. So today I want to cook jollof rice for Obi because I know say Obi like jollof rice very well. So as today na holiday now, don't beg me say make I cook jollof rice for today. Now say make I take my loved ones along because you guys are my loved ones. Let me take you guys along with me because some of you said you enjoy my cooking video, so I just want to show you guys how I do my things in my own little ways. So guys, I don't cut and finish. I want to put them for my oven. Make it go. You understand? That kind of jollof. You understand? I get different way I cook my jollof for one. This way you're something. Make I really prepare and work for onion because it is you know that's guys. Yeah, make it do work for you. Make it do work for you. Pepper and onions. My curry powder for my turkey and gizzard. I'm gonna put my onions, my pepper, my maggi. I put my thyme now for my turkey and gizzard. Curry powder. Add salt now for my turkey and gizzard. Now what I put my nutmeg. Say some of them still ask me say why I cut them like this, so because like this we take the enjoy and now my children take the like and pass. The one they cut like this into two. The bone they shook, they enjoy them. So this way, not they enjoy them. If you cut them like this and everything they intend inside like this. So this is the best way to enjoy. So and now I add water, just small water. Now one hand on this one for my rice. Then I want to add my rice journey and the quantity where I want to cook with this. So one boil. Not the raised nose. Oh, maybe I see it. Live food. This one not too live food though. You see, make I roast this chicken for oven. Then want to eat the jollof rice. This one will like better thing. Trust me. No say they deliver well. And you not talk. See it. Okay like this. So guys, just try this method. You go work for you. Without your smoked jollof rice will work for you. You know see water will come outside so you get different way what they cook. See water will come outside. No need to come they boil and they tea again. So guys, see the water I want through it. So guys, now here I'm going to fry my turkey and my turkey and my gizzard. Now here I want to fry. I don't want to fry with groundnut oil. Just want to move that fat within inside. So guys, I put my butter. I know I use groundnut oil. Now butter they use for my jollof rice. Butter. Jesus, nothing to cook my jollof rice. You can see. Just only butter. No groundnut oil. Because I like this flavor where they bring out. The party flavor where they bring out. I dey enjoy am well well. They make my rice they scatter. No, they make my jollof rice they come. Put my time. Yeah. Then add my onions. And my two tomatoes together. Fry the both of them together. See the two tomatoes where they use. Now they always use till they cook jollof. These two tomatoes. If you did jam, if you get them for Netto or Edeka, they and that two places they always they buy am. I know they see am for normal or reverse. Still they reverse also. So after they cut my two tomatoes, so not till they waste for here because now our money will take buy am. Not till they waste will not be Barbie. So that is just it. Nothing to add. Then I will fry the two together. Fry the both of them together. Make it done. The two tomatoes go done. You cannot want to call it sharp. And now make it done together. My tomatoes done. So I need to turn my paprika, pepper, and tomatoes inside. To go in. Don't do okay like this because I want the sauce. No water way too dry. Wait. Sure, yeah. Oh yeah, did done. So I need to add the rest inside. bring your plate. Oh yeah, don't change that one. Oh yeah, this me party jollof rice, party jollof rice. Okay, so guys, don't do our gizzard and